always stop sign, we check left, center, right, gas and go. This is many people, they sit beside me, they say, oh, we learned or we heard to count 1, 2, 3. Okay, the way I advise people, okay, do not count 1, 2, 3. Just stop, look left, center, right.
Okay.
And proceed. For a good reason. The reason is, if I'm busy with counting, means I'm not gonna check.
Yes.
But if I'm checking, technically I'm counting.
Yes, that's right. Yes.
Go straight. So it's better to check, and this is a 3 seconds. Don't waste your time and count 1, 2, 3, then go. No. All right.